Hey, everyone. Welcome to AI by Design TV, where faith meets innovation and where we make AI make sense. And I'm your host, Tisha D. Colston, your certified AI consultant and digital biz bestie. And if you're ready to save time, create smarter, and show up like the CEO you are, you're in the right place. Let's build, let's automate, let's scale, all by design. On today's video, we are looking into ChatGPT's tool once again and looking at a new feature. And this feature is the agent mode. And so we're going to talk about agent mode and how you can use this as an entrepreneur. So how to get to agent mode? Well, you got your box here. It says, "Hey, Tisha, ready to dive in." And under the tools, you should see now they were rolling this out. So some people still don't have it, but most people have it now. You see, I have 30 more, 37 more, and it tells me more will be available on August 25th. So that's the number of times I can use agent mode. But that's where you find it. And if I select agent mode, it tells you some other things. Now, what is agent mode? Well, simply agent mode is like giving ChatGPT a job, a memory, and some superpowers. So you don't just chat with ChatGPT. Now you can build your own assistant that can help you with real tasks like writing emails and searching files and planning contents, helping you to run your business, booking trips, things like that. My biggest thing I think I was confused about in the beginning was, well, how is it different from an actual GPT? And so it is similar because it is all within ChatGPT, only an agent can do tasks. A GPT can't do tasks. A GPT can answer questions, right? Based on the content that you have given it. So think of it how you can use it would be like hiring a digital intern that never sleeps. It could be your human assistant, or let me say it like this. With a human assistant, you tell it what to do, and you with an agent, you give it instructions. Um, if you have a to-do list, it tells the human what to do each day, but you could give the agent skills to do specific tasks. Um, you can have an agent memorize things, um, or remember, I should say. The agent can use tools like the internet. And so, um, let's just take a look at it here. It gives you some ideas. Now, it runs really slow, so I'm not even sure if I'm going to run it for you here today, but we'll see. So now I've selected agent. How do I know? Because agent is showing. And then I have some sources that it can pull from. But let me go here first. So we have suggested actions already here. So if you just want to play with some stuff or see what it can do, compare the cultural rise of Labubu to the Beanie Baby. Listen, don't even get me started about them little demonic boo boo dolls. And if you don't agree, that's okay. But I think that you should steer clear of those. But anyway, you can compare that with the Beanie Baby. You can have your agent, right, book a dog-friendly hip camp with hot tub near San Francisco. So see, it does tasks for you. It will go out to do the actual task. Find homes in Riley under 800,000 from realtor.com. Find top related coffee grinders under $150 on shop. Book a Mexico City birthday trip dinner on Open Table. So see how it differs because it actually can perform a task for you. Now you can use tools like reports, so you can compile things, research things, right? Actions, find creative Legos, sets under $60. You can order Chinese food and have it delivered from DoorDash. Check your Google Calendar and book a date night so you can hook up your calendar. I'm going to show you those things. Find vintage Japanese style lamp. Find a Las Vegas hotel. So these are tasks that you can assign the agent to do. Spreadsheets. Make a spreadsheet. So it gives you these examples of spreadsheets. Make a reading list of the latest top financial times and stories. Organize a vegetarian recipes from all recipes by protein efficiency, right? Retrieve the WHO health professional density data by profession. Compile spreadsheet comparing CO2 emissions and renewable data. Now, that doesn't interest me, but it does interest someone out there. Presentation, so I could have it to build a presentation on whatever. So it's giving you some examples of presentations I could have it to build. So these are like just some ideas and some suggestions on things that you can have the agent do for you that might spark your mind to say, oh, it can do this for me, right? And here are the sources. So you can connect to ChatGPT these sources. So first, you've already got your web search enabled, but if you have a Dropbox, this is Box, this is Dropbox, Canva, you can connect your Canva account. You can connect your GitHub account. You can connect your Gmail account. And then if I choose connect more, I've got other things, Outlook email. So these are things that I can connect to my chat GPT, and then therefore I would be able to use it in agent. Okay. So let me get out of there because that'll take us down another road, a rabbit trail. Anyway, you can still use your normal features here to dictate, use your voice mode. But that's what agent is. That's what it can actually do for you. Let me see if I can have it to do something that might be really simple to do. Find creative. Let's see this. So now it puts the prompt in there for you. And then when I press go, you'll see it going through this process, setting up my desktop. Here's what I understand. I'm searching Target for your Legos. I'm going to compare them for you. It's telling you step by step what it is doing, right? And depending on the task, it can take a really long time. Now, what I like about it is that it is showing you what it is doing. But here's the thing. You can give it a task and walk away. You don't have to sit here and watch it. You don't even have to sit here and stay on the same GPT tab. You can go to another tab and it's still working in the background for you. Okay. So you'll see it's still working, it's filtering results. And this is happening live. I want you to notice it's actually going to the website for Target and it is looking at these results for you. Okay. So just want you to really note that, you're not just chatting with ChatGPT anymore, you are assigning tasks. So help me to summarize this 15-page PDF and create a slide presentation from it. So before, you have to do one thing at a time. I mean, you could say summarize this, right? But then you'd have to wait. Now you can have it do it all in one. So you say do that, and then boom, ChatGPT activates agent mode behind the scenes and starts working step by step to complete the tasks. So then it's going to use tools like browsing and Python code and planning and just some autonomy, doing multiple things without asking you each time. Now, I do want to say some things it may need to have you to respond to if if it's not clear before it can move on. But with regular Chat GPT, you can guide it step by step, but with agent mode, it plans and it executes all by itself. So it's doing this all by itself. ChatGPT doesn't remember much. Well, it remembers more than it used to. But for agent mode, it can pull from the memory and from files. For ChatGPT, you ask for help. For agent mode, you assign it a job. ChatGPT, regular, no long-term logic. But with agent mode, it can work through multiple steps. So you can say something like, search this folder and summarize all the documents that mention grant proposals, right? Because you hooked it up to your um, Google. You could say, read this Excel file and tell me what categories have the highest sales. You can say, turn this PDF into a 7-day devotional script with the 3 reflection questions per day. For your business tasks, you can say, plan a 4-week email campaign using the attached ebook as a base for the content. So, you know, you'll watch it do it, and then you can watch it do its thing. Trying to see if there's anything else I wanted to tell you about it. That's really it. I mean, you just gotta go in and play with it. It's going to amaze you. And you see how it's doing, but it does take a little bit of time. So you don't want to sit here and, have to watch it. And that's the whole point. You don't watch your virtual assistant. You don't watch your in-person assistant. You give them a task and they go and do it. And that's the exact same thing. Okay. Chat GPT is chat, the regular is chat based, but agent mode is task based. On the replay, I'm going to try to speed this up for you so that you can still see it, but yet it will be sped up. But if I'm not able to do that, so sorry. You can speed through it. What I really like is that it tells you here what it's doing. You can actually take it over, you can make it stop. So this is the activity that it's doing, and so you could take over the movement in there, or you can make the whole process stop. Okay. Now, I will be honest here and say this. For Lego sets that are theme based under $60 at Target, I don't know what all it's doing. I mean, it's like it's looking at every single one, but you and I know we would not have taken this long to do this. We would have filtered it by $60 and we would have taken a look at all the lists and just selected one. So so for this task, it may not be the most efficient, but it may be in the terms of you don't have to do it. It's just right here we're watching paint dry, right? We're watching water ball, right? Boil right here. So that is a killer, but you can fast forward through until the end to get the results. Now, I will be honest here and say this. For Lego sets that are theme based under $60 at Target, I don't know what all it's doing. I mean, it's like it's looking at every single one, but you and I know we would not have taken this long to do this. We would have filtered it by $60 and we would have taken a look at all the lists and just selected one. So so for this task, it may not be the most efficient, but it may be in the terms of you don't have to do it. It's just right here we're watching paint dry, right? We're watching water ball, right? Boil right here. So that is a killer, but you can fast forward through until the end to get the results. All right, so here we have it says it worked for 9 minutes. And so here are a couple of strong Lego options from Target that are under $60 and age appropriate for an 8-year-old. Each set offers pickup within 2 hours and usually allows a same day delivery or next day. And so it's giving you all this. And it gave me two different options, 14.99 and 18.99. And what it does, the availability, which set would you like me to order, or you prefer to explore other options? So it can order for you. And I haven't played with that, but I believe ChatGPT was doing that before. It just wasn't in this agent mode. So just to show you what the use are and the times that it take. Now, if you've got something really, really detailed, it's going to take a little bit more time, but you can set it and you can forget it and then come back to it. Once it's complete. So that's it for now here. Just let me know what questions that you have in the chat. Other than that, I will see you on the next video. All right, if you love this, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that follow or that subscribe button for more AI powered tips and creative hacks right here on AI by Design TV. Hey, listen, keep creating, keep exploring, and remember, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.